Are you trying to buy MEDSPA equipment, but you are shocked by the price tags? Used equipment might be the answer, but there are some things you need to know before buying used MEDSPA devices. For those of you who are new here, I'm Kelly Smith, CEO and founder of Projected Growth Consulting. With over 20 years in the medical aesthetics field and having assisted over 5,000 practices, I'm an industry expert, author, and speaker who has built seven-figure businesses and beyond for my clients. Being in this industry for so long, I have learned a few tips and tricks that salesmen won't tell you. I want to make sure you can get a good laser without breaking the bank. The first thing you need to know about buying used equipment is to work with a reputable supplier who guarantees some sort of warranty on their lasers, repair on their lasers, and the ability to get the disposables that you might need for your laser. Now, some devices make a lot more sense to buy used than others, and this is where you need to do your research. They are not all created equal. There are certain pieces of equipment that have very few things that will go wrong with them, or perhaps don't even have disposable costs, where there are other pieces of equipment where you really cannot even run them if you don't buy them from the original manufacturer and buy the original disposables to get them up and going. So remember to check out the details and the fine print when you're thinking about buying used equipment. Now, if you are thinking about buying used equipment, if you're looking for insider secrets for buying used MEDSPA, choosing a service mix, and more, check out my MEDSPA Growth Accelerator program in the description below and learn how you can get access to over 150 easy-to-use tools, resources, weekly coaching session, as well as amazing peer community involvement and training videos. Don't forget, you might also want new equipment. If so, reach out and talk to us about how to negotiate the very best deal possible and when to negotiate the best deal possible. Every day I'm coaching my executive coaching clients and MEDSPA Growth Accelerator peer group on what devices to take a look at, how to analyze whether it's a good decision or not, and which ones you could actually get as a used device. Now just think about this. When you look at new devices, you are going to get advice from laser salesmen to reach out to certain offices who are very successful providing their services. Don't follow that example. That's kind of like calling all the people as a reference on a resume instead of looking at where people have worked and maybe calling places they work that they don't list. When you think about buying and negotiating equipment, there is a lot of room to negotiate and there are really good times of year to buy. Also, when you ask different offices what equipment they would recommend getting again, there's really only one question. Would you buy that device again? Or do you own multiple devices? That's also an awesome time to ask them whether they would think about buying this particular device as a used device. Now, the reason why I mention this is people don't realize there's a lot of room for negotiation in these deals. So join my MEDSPA Accelerator Growth or become an executive coaching client so that I can coach you how to buy the very best priced equipment and the right combination of treatments so that you create $1 million business or better in 3 treatment rooms. This is easily done, and so often I'm involved after you've made these purchasing decisions. So reach out today. Let's talk. Let me show you how to negotiate your best deal, what pieces of equipment you really need to create the perfect membership, and all of that at the same time while driving your cost of goods down. Let's work smarter, not harder, and let's do that together. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below because we are doing a giveaway for anyone that leaves comments. We do a drawing every single month if you commented on our videos, and we pull winners for a free copy of my Top 10 Profit Killers book signed, We also give away 15-minute strategy coaching calls with me. So comment, like, and subscribe so that you're entered to win one of our fun prizes this month. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's all about the implementation.